Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I've got 6 events in May to maximize t-shirt and sticker sales, and you can start by creating designs now to reap the rewards. And these design and events also apply for any sort of print on demand products, such as wall stickers, such as any sort of home decor as well, mugs as well, not only t-shirts and stickers. So I started a series in late March where I broke down the global events for each month and ideas to utilize them in order to maximize sales and visibility for print on demand. And you can access the video right over here, or you can find the link in the description box below for the March and April videos. Now, May is just around the corner. There are plenty of exciting events happening that really present an excellent opportunity for us to boost our print on demand sales, especially t-shirts and stickers, because for me personally, these work best. So whether you have been selling for years or you're just starting, take advantage of these events to grow your print-on-demand business. Now let's dive into these events that you should take advantage of this May. First of all, we've got Mother's Day. Mother's Day is on May the 8th, and mums are our family's backbone. They deserve to be celebrated, and this holiday is perfect for creating t-shirt and sticker sales that specifically honor mums everywhere. And one idea is you can start out by creating designs that celebrate motherhood, express gratitude, or say Happy Mother's Day. You can also consider creating custom designs with personal messages or inside jokes that resonate with your customers. The second event happening in May is Memorial Day, and this is on May the 30th. And Memorial Day is a day of remembrance for those who have served our country. This holiday is an excellent opportunity to create t-shirts and stickers that tribute to our fallen heroes, and this can apply to any other country. Now I know it's specifically for the US, but it can apply also for any other country when it comes to just paying tribute to the fallen heroes and the soldiers who have sacrificed their lives to help protect the country's citizens. Now you can create designs with patriotic symbols, such as, for example, if you're creating for the Americans, you can use the American flag or the bald eagle or whatever symbol that represents your own country. And you can use slogans like land of the free because of the brave, or we remember and honor. Just make sure that these slogans are not trademarked, and there is a technique that you can check for trademark slogans, and I've explained that in a video on the channel I did a couple of months ago, and the link will be also in the description box below on how you can find whether the slogan or the title is trademarked or not. And these designs can also be used to raise funds for organizations that support veterans and their families. Another thing is the third event is graduations, and this is happening throughout May. Graduation season is here, and it's time to celebrate the graduates' achievements in our lives. Now, whether it is high school, whether it's college or graduate school, graduation is a huge milestone that deserves recognition. Now you can start up by creating designs with congratulatory messages, humorous slogans, and even custom designs that include the name and the graduation year of the graduate. Now I find that what sells more for me under the graduation theme is t-shirts, stickers, and also mugs as well. People like to give customized graduation mugs for example, for their students, for their sons and daughters and relatives. Now these items can be used as gifts for graduates, souvenirs for family and friends who are attending graduation ceremonies. Now if you're on Etsy or you're on any other platform where you are allowed to create customized named products, then you can also take advantage of the graduation that is happening throughout May. The fourth event that is happening in May is Cinco de Mayo, which is happening in May the 5th. Now, my apologies if the pronunciation for this wonderful event is incorrect, but I will try my best. Cinco de Mayo is a Mexican holiday which is celebrating the country's victory over the French forces in 1862, and this holiday is an excellent opportunity to create print-on-demand products, specifically t-shirts and stickers that celebrate Mexican culture and heritage. Some ideas for creating for Cinco de Mayo is you can create designs that feature traditional Mexican symbols such as sombreros, macaras as well, or the Mexican flag. You can also include slogans like Viva Mexico or Fiesta like There's No Manana. These designs can also be used to raise funds for organizations supporting Mexican American communities or celebrate with family and friends as well. The fifth event happening in May is the National Barbecue Day, which is on May the 16th. Now, National Barbecue Day is a perfect excuse to fire up the grill to enjoy delicious food with friends and family. And this holiday is an excellent opportunity to create t-shirt and sticker designs that celebrate the love of barbecue. Some ideas for National Barbecue Day is you can create designs that feature barbecue favorites like ribs, brisket, or even pulled meat. You can use slogans like Grill Master, and these designs can also be used to raise funds as well for organizations to support hunger relief and to promote local barbecue restaurants. We also have the Mental Health Awareness Month. Now, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and it's a huge time to raise awareness about mental health, to promote the importance of mental health care, and this is also an excellent opportunity to create t-shirts, stickers, and other print-on-demand products that are used to promote mental health awareness and encourage people to seek help. Some ideas is you can create designs that feature supportive messages like you are not alone or it's okay not to be okay. These designs can be used to raise funds for organizations that support mental health care, to promote local mental health resources as well. May is an excellent month for print-on-demand sales with many events that you can celebrate. You can use these events as inspiration to create meaningful and unique designs that resonate with your customers. You use social media and other marketing channels to promote your designs and drive sales as well. Good luck. Now, let me know if I did miss any other events happening in May. My apologies for doing so. If this is the case, now which event will you be able to utilize during May? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.